Here, if you can hear me, type a 6 in the chat box and let me know. I changed a place to have the class today. Hello, everybody. If you're ready, if you can hear me, everything is ready. So type a 6 in the chat box and let me know. This is our last day in the short-term class. Nobody, nobody, give me a 6. Is everybody here? Okay, very good. Okay, we see Tammy. Tammy, nice to meet you. What about the others? What about the others? If you're ready, type a 6 in the chat box and let me know. Come on. Only Tammy is here. What about the others? Come on. Where are the others? Okay, Hao Tong, very good. I can see you as well. What about the others? Yeah, so if you can hear me, you are ready for today's class, type a 6 in the chat box and let me know. Yeah, hello, Soshi. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce your name. Okay, I'll check. Okay, yeah, if everybody is ready. Okay, what about the others? So, like I said, if you're ready for today's class, type a 6 in the chat box and let me know. We are going to start in 1 minute. In 1 minute. Oh, I'm also going to share this to my WeChat moments so that a lot of people can join as well. I'm not quite sure. Yes, very good. Linda 666. Thank you. Yeah, why you give me an 8 in the beginning? Is your mom helping you? Okay. So if you're here already and if you're ready for today's class, give me a 6 in the chat box. Come on and let me know. And also, if you print out the material, please take it out. Yeah. Today we're going to have a totally different topic. It's not about calculation with strategy. So we are going to have the shapes in equation. Yeah, I see Simming is here. Good. Okay. Yeah, Linda, I know. Yes. So it seems that not many people are here today. What happened? Okay, I see Lim. Good. Nice to meet you. Yeah. So everybody, if you're ready, one last time, okay, type a 6 in the chat box and tell me because we are going to have today's class. Come on, the last class. Yeah, very good, Shiming. Yes, nice to meet you. Yeah. Okay. Yes, Linda, I know, Linda. Why it's only you here? Give me a 6. Hello, go go mom. Yes. Go go mom. Yes. Okay. So I think I need to start, okay, for today's lesson. So again, let's review what we learned yesterday, remember? So actually, we talk about two very important methods. We have the grounding method and also we have the grouping method. So let's take a look. Remember how we do the grounding or rounding method? Yeah, so we just make the round number with the number itself. For example, here we have 11. So we can make a round number, which is a 10, right? And don't forget, we need to plus 1 here on top. Yeah, so you just need to dress the number, put on the clothes, and also the little hat with the little number on top. So that's how we do it. And what about the second one? When we group the numbers, so what are we looking for? Yeah, we look for the signs because actually we have the pattern in the signs. It's either plus, minus, plus, minus. So you just group the numbers. Okay. So without further ado, let's take a look at the questions we have. So take out the piece of paper if you print it out already. So we have 3 questions here. So the first one, we have 24 plus 15 plus 21. So I give you maybe 10 to 20 seconds. Can you type the answer in the chat box and then let me know? Come on, everybody. Yeah, I see. Oh, is also in. Yes, nice to meet you. Anybody can give me the answer? Yeah. So let's take a look here. So we can find out the round number close to the three numbers here, right? So we take a look. 24. So what round number are you thinking about? Yeah, maybe we need a 20. And after that, don't forget we need to plus 4, right? To make a 24. And what about 15? Yeah, 15. Actually, you have two options. Either you go with 10 or either you go with 20 because they are actually in 15 is actually in the middle. So in here, maybe I will choose 10 because here we can make all of the numbers plus. Okay. And what about 21? Yeah, 21, maybe you are thinking about a 20 and then plus 1 here. So we just put all the round numbers together. Here we have 20, 10, and 20 would be 50 in total. But don't forget about the little number, everybody. Here we have plus 4, plus 5, and plus 1. So how many in total? Yes, very good. Here we have 10 in total. So that makes the total number is 60. So let's check how many people get the correct answer. So I see, very good. And also we have Lin, Hao Tong, Cheryl. Oh, Cheryl, it's not 100. You think about it, okay? Yeah, and also we have Soshi and yeah, all with all correct answers. That's nice. What about the second one, everybody? In here we have 9 plus 8 plus 19 plus 29. So again, I give you maybe like 20 to 30 seconds to think about it. So for this one, you also need to think about the round number closer to each of the number. And in here, maybe you also need to think about it. We need plus or minus to get to the original number. Come on. Somebody already give me the answer in the chat box, which is really great. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, if you haven't finished, no worries, because I think it would be a little bit challenging. So in here, we think about each of the number. So 9, we need to make a 10. And don't forget here, we need to take away 1 to make a 9, right? So it's minus 1. And then 8 here, it will be 10, also minus 2. And 19 here, we have 20, and then we take away 1. And 29 here, we have 30, also take away 1. So again, we put all the round numbers together. We have 10, 10, 20, and 30. So in here, what do we have? We have 60. And then the tricky part is think about the little numbers. In here, we have minus 1, take away 1, and then we take away 2, take away 1, and take away 1. How many do we take away in total? Think about it. Yeah, we take away 1, and then 2, and then 1, and then 1. So actually, we take away 5 in total. So you see, here, what's the answer? Yeah, what is the answer? The answer is actually yeah, very good. It will be, oh, I make a mistake. Yeah. So be very careful here. When you have 10 and 10, it's actually 20. 20 plus 20 here, 40, 40 plus 30. Here, actually, we have 70, right? Yeah. So here you see, when you are not focused, you will make a mistake like what Jimson did here. So it will be 70, take away 5. So you see, the answer is actually 65. Okay. So you see, here, the final answer, 65. Let's see who get the correct answer. Yes, very good. Here we have, yeah, 新加坡的 65, good. And also we have Cheryl, very good. And Nim, very good. And also we have Soshi, very good also, 65. And also we have Gogo Mom, very good. Okay, yeah. So make sure you know how to do it. And we still have the last one. The last one in here, wow, you have a lot of numbers. Look at the numbers. We have 34 minus 33 plus 32 minus 31 plus 30 minus 29 and plus 28. So again, here, look at the signs. Do we have any pattern? Yeah, somebody already found it. Take a look. We have plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, and then plus. So a lot of you may mention, okay, Jimson, I already know the answer. It will be 1, 1, 1. So the answer is 3. Is it correct? Is it correct? Yeah, of course it's not, right? So when we group the numbers, so you see we have plus and minus in one group, right? One group and one group. And actually, what do we have left? Very good. We still have a plus 28 left. So you see, what's the answer? Can you just type it in the chat box? I think it's very clear now. Yeah, because when you group them, you have a group of one, a group of one, a group of one, and don't forget the 28 here. Yeah, actually the answer will be, yes, 31. Okay, 31. Yeah, so I see a lot of you giving me the correct answer, which is so great. So again, remember, today we're still on a gem challenge. So ta-da! Here we have different kind of gems here. Yay! Congratulations, everybody. So again, type the number in the chat box to see which one you want. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come on, everybody. Yeah, we have different shapes in here. Yeah, I think I'm moving, so I think the network is okay. Yeah, you can take a look. Which one do you want, everybody? Oh, it's a 2. It's a 2. It's a 2. Any other, maybe a 5? What do you want? What do you want? One more thing. Okay, I think it's a 5. Yeah, I see more 5s here. So the 5, let's take a look. 3, 2, 1. Okay, a small heart from Jim. Who is Jim? Jim, this is me, okay? I'm Jim. I'm Jimson. In short, you can call me Jim as well. Yeah, I'm Math Jim, remember? So I'm going to give you a small heart. Are you ready to receive my small heart? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! My small heart. My little heart, okay? Yes. So let's continue. So today we're going to talk about shapes in equation. So this is a totally different type of questions. So here we have some fish, and each fish represent one number. So when you have 20 plus a blue fish equal 50, just shout out the answer. What is the fish in here? Yeah, so of course the fish is, yes, 30, right? It's 30, right? Because 20 plus 30 equal 50. But how can we get 30 with 50 and 20? Think about it. How you use 50 and 20 to get the 30? You use plus or minus. Can you type it in the chat box? What do you use? Think about it. Yeah. So if you want to use 50 and 20 to get a 30, so of course you need minus. Because you see here, the 50 is actually the big number, and the other two are small number. So in here, we are looking for a small number. So of course, we need minus to find the smaller number. So that's why here we have 50 minus 20 equal 30. So similarly, what about the second one in here? We have a jellyfish. I think it's a jellyfish, right? Minus 10 equals 30. So think about what number minus 10 equals 30. Yes, of course, you can shout out the answer, which is very good, 40. And again, think about it. Here, if you are going to use 30 and 10 to make a 40, so what do we need? We need plus or we need minus, everybody? Yeah, a lot of you give me a 40 in the chat box. Nice. But think about it, which one do we need? Plus or minus to get a 40? Yes, in here, we need a plus. We need a plus. Because in here, when we do minus, 40 is actually the big number, right? And then the big number take away a small number and we get another small number. So you see here, we are looking for the big number. So that's why we need a plus in here. So the last one, you see? Here we have a tortoise or maybe a turtle. I'm not quite sure. Maybe it's a sea turtle. And here we have 30, take away the turtle equal 20. Yeah, and everybody shout out the answer. What is the turtle? Yeah, what number is the turtle? Yeah, very good. It will be a 10 because 30 take away 10 equal 20. So again, in here, if you want to use 30 and 20 to get a 10, what do you need? You need plus or you need minus? Yeah, think about it. I will wait for you. Type A and B then, if it's hard for you to type plus and minus. How do you get a 10 with 30 and 20? Come on, A or B, plus or minus? Yes, very good. Okay, Sarah, 太阳花, very good. Okay, minus. Yes. Okay. Yes, very good. 新加坡的渺小. I don't know the last character. Yeah, very good. We need minus. Why? Again, here when we do subtraction, so 30 is actually a big number. And the tortoise here, the turtle here is a small number, and the 20 here also a small number. So you see, to find a small number, we need minus. So we use 30 minus 20, and then we get 10. So that's how we get the answer. And everybody, if you look at the three equations here, in each equation, we only have one kind of the shape. The first one, you only have one blue fish. The second one, you only have a jellyfish. The third one, you only have a turtle. So when there is only one shape in the equation, can we calculate directly? Yes or no? Yeah, I think it's quite obvious. The answer is yes. So when you see there's only one kind of shape in the equation, so we can directly find out the answer. So now let's continue. What about this one here? Take a look. You have 3 fish equal 30. But look at the fish here. Actually, they are the same. So there is only one kind of fish, and they represent the same number. So can we calculate directly? We have 3 same number. So what number plus what number plus what number equal 30? Yeah, I think it's very obvious. So the answer will be 10 because 10 plus 10 plus 10 equal 30. Okay. So after that, why don't you try this one? Here we have 12 plus a fish plus another same fish equal 20. So for this one, think about it. We only have one kind of fish, right? So actually we can calculate directly, but how? In here, maybe we need to think about the 2 same fish here. What is that? Yeah, so if we put it as a package, 12 plus a number equal 20. So what is the number here? Yeah, of course, you may think about 8, right? Because 12 plus 8 equal 20. So if 2 equal fish is 8, so what is 1 fish? Yeah, very good. I can see like Blue Soul, Scarlet, okay, Linda, and also Soshi. Yeah, give me the correct answer. So in here, each fish is a 4. Okay, each fish is a 4. So whenever you see only one kind of shape in the equation, you can find out the answer directly. So now, after that, can you try this one by yourself? In here, we have 2 equations. The first one is the shrimp minus the seaweed equal 5. If you just look at it, can you tell me the answer for each of the shape? Maybe no, right? Because it can be maybe 6 minus 1, 7 minus 2. There may be a lot of different answers, right? Because there are 2 shapes. So never mind, we look at it. Look at the second one. So here we have 16 minus a shrimp equal 8. So which one do we do first? The first one or the second one? Can you type it in the chat box? Which one do we do first? Number 1 or number 2? Number 1 or number 2? Yeah, somebody already give me the correct answer, but follow the logic here. Which one do we do first? Which one do we do first? Yeah, very good. Oh, you give me the correct answer. Yeah, Linda, very good. Okay. We do number 2 first because this is the one with only one shape, one kind of shape. So you see here, we take a look. 16 minus the shrimp equal 8. So the shrimp is actually 8, right? So if the shrimp is 8, so we can change the shrimp into 8. So now think about the seaweed now. 8 minus the seaweed equal 5. So what is the seaweed? What is the seaweed? Yeah, the seaweed is 3. Yeah, so you can use 8 minus 5. Again, you get 8. You get 3. So the answer, the seaweed is 3 and the shrimp is 8. And that's how we solve the problem. Okay. And now let's continue. What about the second one here? Again, for this one, I don't give you any of the tip. Here we have 2 turtle equals 6. And then the turtle plus maybe the coral, I don't know, the coral reef maybe equal 8. So which one do we do first? 1 or 2? Give me the answer in the chat box. Come on. Which one do we do first? 1 or 2? Don't give me the answer. The answer is not that important, but the logic is more important than that. Come on. Come on. Which one do we do first? 1 or 2? 1 or 2? Yes, very good. Scarlet. Okay, we see like Joy V Live. Very good. Okay, we do 1 first, right? Because the first one is the equation with only one kind. Yeah, even though we have 2 turtles, but it's one kind. So can you tell me what is the turtle? The turtle is Yeah, obviously it's 3, right? Because 3 plus 3 equals 6. So if we know the total is 6, so we can change the total is into 3. So what is the coral reef? The coral reef is 5 here. So you see the total is 3 and the coral reef is 5. Yeah, and that's how we solve the problem. And now remember the logic. Find out the equation with only one kind. Yeah. So can you try by yourself? For the first one, I give you maybe 30 seconds. It's not that hard. 14 plus one circle plus another circle equal 24. So what is the circle? What is the circle? Come on. Mm-hmm. Yeah, somebody just give me the correct answer. Very good. Okay, Hao Tong and then Shou Shi. Very good. Abe. Okay, Zhou Live. Okay, very good. Yes. So in here, the tricky part is you need to think about the two circle. What is two circle? So again, I put it in a package. So you may consider 14 plus a number equal 24. So obviously you may think about a 10. So if two circle is 10, so one circle is 5. So you see here 5 plus 5 equal 10, 10 plus 14 equal 24. So that's how we get the answer. And after that, what about the second one? The second one in here. What is the triangle and what is the circle? Come on. Again, you need to think about which one do we start. Start from the first one or from the second one? Come on, come on, come on. Again, 1 minute. Maybe 1 minute. What is the triangle? What is the circle? Maybe you don't need 1 minute, I think. Yeah, if you're really good at calculation, you can tell me the answer directly. All right. Very good. Jovi Live already give me the correct answer. Very good, Linda. Yes. So let's take a look. We look at number 2, right? Because this is the equation with only one kind of shape. So 13 take away the circle equals 7. So what is the circle? Yeah, you may think about 13 take away 7 equals 6. If you can, right? If you cannot, you just think about 13 take away what number equals 7. So it will be 6. So if the circle is 6, you just change the circle into 6. So what number plus 6 equal 10? Or maybe you can use 10 take away 6 and then you get 4 here, right? So actually the triangle is 4 and the circle is 6. So here we solve the two problems. Good job, everybody. That is very important. This is actually the basic logic when we solve the problem in here. So congratulations. So the first one, when you have only one shape in the equation, we can calculate directly. So now, congratulations. Just now we choose number 5 already. So now we don't have 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one do you want? Come on, type in the chat box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one do you want? Come on. Come on. Let's see. Okay, a 4. Is it a 4? I only see a 4. Why nobody like the second one? I actually love the red one. It's very big. The gem is very big. Okay, 2, 3. Okay, I think it's a 2. Yeah, it becomes a 2 now. Thank you, yeah, for choosing the red one for me. 3, 2, 1. Oh, this is a question. Is Jimson handsome? Yes or no? If you think yes, give me an A. If you think no, give me a B in the chat box. Come on. Is Jimson handsome? I'm going to make a handsome pose. Am I handsome? Come on, everybody. I know you know the correct answer for this question. Very good, Jovi Live. Thank you. Someone give me a B. No way. I'm so disappointed. A B. You also give me a B. No. Okay, thank you. Actually, I see more of you. Most of you give me an A. Thank you so much. I'm going to give you a big heart. A big heart. Thank you very much. Yeah. So let's continue. Actually, we still have 2 more challenges to go for today. So another challenge. Let's take a look. In here, we also have 2 equations. The first one you see here, we have 2 sheep equal a pig. And the second one here, you have a sheep plus a pig equal 30. So everybody, think about it. Here, there is one equation that is very special. Which one do you think is special? Give me one or two in the chat box. Which one is special? We don't have this kind of equation just now. Which one is special? Come on. And also think about the reason why this one is special. Why this one is special? Yeah, very good, Scarlett. Thank you. It's one, but why the first one is special? Yeah, Jovi, very good. Why the first one is special? So everybody look at the first equation. Do we have any numbers there? Yes or no? No, we don't have any numbers. So that's what makes it special. So now you think about it here. I will help you. How do we solve the problem? Here, when we put them in a scale, in a balance scale, so you see two sheep together equal one pig. And then one pig and one sheep equal 30. So actually, we can replace an animal. Which one can we replace, everybody? Give me a choice, okay? If you think we can replace the pig, give me an A. Okay? If you think we can replace the sheep, give me a B. Okay. Which one can we replace? Yeah, you think about it. You think about it. That's the key. That's the key. Which one do we replace? Very good. We should replace the pig, right? Okay, we can replace the pig. And the second question is, if we want to replace the pig, how many sheep do we need? How many sheep do we need to replace one pig? Give me the number in the chat box. If we want to replace one pig, how many sheep do we need? Oh, I I thought I give you the answer already. So how many sheep do we need to replace it? Very good. We need two, right? Because here you see one sheep plus one sheep equal two pigs, or one pig, right? So actually we need two pigs to replace, two sheep replace one pig. So for one pig we have one more sheep and one more sheep. Suppose this is the sheep, okay? Yeah. So now what do we get now? What do we have now? Yeah, so here we have one sheep, and one more sheep equal 30. So three sheep equal 30. What is one sheep? Very good. Actually, a lot of you give me the answer already. It will be 10. It will be 10, right? So if you know the sheep is 10, so you see what is the pig? Yeah, the pig must be 20. Yeah. So that's how we solve the problem. So the key is we need to find the special one. Remember, the special one is without the number. And when you find the special one here, make sure we need to replace. And in here, we replace the pig. The pig, actually, we only have one, but the sheep, we have two. So we try to replace the more or replace the less. Yeah, we try to replace the less. That's usually the logic, okay? So we try to replace the less. Here we only have one pig, but we have two sheep, so we replace the pig. Is that clear, everybody? So now follow this order logic, and now let's try the second question here. We have one circle plus the rectangle equal 9. And the second one here we have one circle equal 2 rectangles. So think about it. Which one is special? I think it's easy, which is 2. 2 is special because we don't have any number here. So my second question, that is the key, okay? So which one do we use to replace? Okay? We replace the rectangle or we replace the circle? Come on. Which one we replace? We replace the rectangle or we replace the circle? That is the key. Give me A or B. Give me A or B. Yes, very good. We replace the circle. Very good. Okay, Hao Tong, yes, and Oo, very good. We replace the second one. Yes. So here we only have one circle and two rectangle here. So that's why we replace the less. Okay. So if we replace the circle here. How many rectangle do we need? Very good. We need 2. So here we have 1 and we have 1. So you see here, look at the first one. 3 rectangle equal 9. So what number is 1 rectangle? Yes, it will be 3 because 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal 9. So once you know the rectangle is 3, what about the circle now? So the circle is 6. That's how we solve the problem. The circle 6 and the rectangle is 3. So after that, can you remember the logic? Yeah, when you have equation without numbers, we use it to replace. And usually we replace the lesser one. Okay? So follow this. Can you try this by yourself? I give you 1 minute. Yeah. Because actually it's not that hard, but you need to think about the calculation. The tricky part is the calculation. What is the peach and what is the apple? One minute. 1 minute. Very good. Scarlett already give me the correct answer. Very good job, Scarlett. What about the others? Oh, Joy V Live also. Good job. Yeah, so we look at the second one, right? We use it to replace. And you see which one do we replace? Yes, we replace the lesser one, which is the apple. So if we replace the apple, how many peaches do we need? Yeah, 3 peaches, right? So I'm going to draw a peach, but it's hard for me to draw it, okay? This is a peach, okay? Yeah, don't blame me for the poor drawing, okay? So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 peaches equals 16. So what is 1 peach? Yeah, that would be a hot one. Yeah, the peach will be 4 because 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 16. So if the peach is 4, so what about the apple? What about the apple? Yeah, the apple will be 4 plus 4 plus 4 will be, 12 here. Yeah, so that's how we get the answer 12 for the apple and 4 for the peach. Okay, so good job, everybody. And now let's continue. Oh, it's the lucky draw time. So we don't have this 2. So 1, 2, 3, give me the number. Yeah, actually, we are running out of time. Come on, everybody. I cannot wait for you for long. Which one do we need? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, 3. Okay, thank you, 新加坡的. Okay, look at number 3, the blue one. 3, 2, 1. Wow, you have 2 games. I don't want to give you the game because already it's time's up here. Okay, already 30 minutes. So do you still want 2 games? Yes or no? I think most of you want. Okay, so never mind. I will delay the class a little bit. Okay, so the first one.
Observe the pattern on the clothes. Find the missing piece.
So you need to find the missing piece on the pattern of the clothes. So which one do choose? 1, 2, 3. Which one? Come on, it's not that hard. Observe it. Observe the pattern. It's super easy. Which is
Great.
number 3. Okay, you still have 1 more game. Oh no way! I don't want to. I don't want to give you 1 more game. Never mind. Let's take a look.
Observe the pattern on the clothes. Find the missing piece.
So again, you need to find the missing piece for the dress here. Okay, which one? Which one? Yeah. Okay. Also, 1, 2, 3. Which one do you put in? Yeah, of course, number 2.
Great.
Very good job. Finally, let's continue. We still have 1 last challenge to go. So now let's take a look. Yeah, somebody still want more games. I know, but it's running out of time. Everybody focus. We have 1 last challenge. So in here, whoa, you see, we have 2 different equations. The first one, we have 1 Coke plus 1 burger equal 10. The second one, we have 1 Coke, 1 burger, and 1 more burger equal 16. So you see, do we have any equation without numbers? No. Do we have equations with only 1 shape, 1 kind of shape? No. So how are we going to solve this? Yeah. When you observe them, you see, for the first one, it will be a short one. And the second one, it will be a longer one, right? And can you find the short one in number 2? One Coke and one burger. Can you find it? Yes, of course. So you see, when we can find the short one in here, we put it in a box, we put it in a bag, we package them, and then can we replace it? So one Coke and one burger is very good. It will be 10, right? So you see, 10 plus a burger equals 16. So what is one burger? Shout out the answer. Very good. So the burger will be 6. So if the burger is 6, we change all the burger into 6. So what about the Coke now? Yeah, the Coke is 4. So of course you can double check. 4 plus 6 plus 6, yeah, it's 16. So you see, when we have two equations, one short and one long, what do we do with the short one? Yeah, we can package them, right? And after that, we can replace it as a whole. So that's how we solve the problem. Okay, so now with this in mind, take a look at the second question here. So you see here we have 2 red fish plus 1 purple equal 14. And the second one here we have 2 purple 1 plus 2 red 1 equal 18. So you see the first one is very short. Can we find the short one in the second one? Yes or no? Yes, of course, right? So make sure you have 2 red fish and 1 purple, 2 red fish and 1 purple here. And then we can replace it as a whole. What is 2 red fish and 1 purple? Yeah, it will be 14. So can you tell me the purple fish now? The purple fish is? Very good. It will be 4. Right? If the purple fish is 4, so think about the red one. Yeah, think about the red one. 2 red fish plus 4 equal 14. So 2 red fish equal 10. Right? Because 10 plus 4 equal 14. So 1 red fish is 5. So actually you can double check, right? With the purple fish is a 4, and then 1 red one is 5. So actually you get 18 here. Yeah, so that's how we solve the problem. We just package the short and we replace it as a whole, and then we can find out the answer. Okay, so follow this in mind, everybody. Make sure you know the logic, okay? You package the short and replace it as a whole. And now, the last question. That's the practice on the paper. Yeah. So maybe I can only give you 1 minute. Yeah, because it's already out of time. Because later, P2 students also have the online class. So 1 minute, everybody. The last question. What is the circle and what is the triangle? Think about the logic. We have a long one, we have a short one. And then what do we do? Wow, somebody already give me the answer. Jovi. Okay, very good. So now let's take a look. Still, we can find the short one in the long one, right? And then we can package it. And after we package, here we can replace it as a whole. So 2 circle, 1 triangle is 19. So look at the first one. Triangle plus 19 equal 28. So the triangle will be, very good, will be 9. So if the triangle is 9, so we change all the triangle into 9. So look at the second one. 9 plus 2 circle equal 19. So 2 circle equal 10. So what is 1 circle? So 1 circle will be 5. Yes. So that's how we solve the problem. The circle is 5 and the triangle is 9. How many of you get the correct answer? Let me see in the chat box. Very good. Okay, we have yes. Okay, we have Singapore. Very good. Okay, yeah, very good. Scarlett, very nice. Yeah. So that's it here for today. So today we talk about shapes in equations. The basic logic is we try to change different kinds of the shape into only one kind because we can calculate directly. Okay, and when you see equation without numbers, we use it to replace. Usually, we replace the last one. And the last one, when you find the short one in the longer equation, we replace the short one as a whole. Okay, so finally, let's take a look. We still have one more. So you still have this one, 1, and this one, 2. Which one do you want? Come on. 1 or 2? It's already out of time. Out of time. Okay, okay. The first answer will be the last gem here. One or two. Come on, everybody. One or two. One or two. One or two. Nobody give me. Okay, two. So let's take a look at two. The blue one or the green one. Three, two, one. You are going to clap, everybody. So actually, that is the end here for the entire three classes. I think everybody is doing a good job, even though I cannot see your face, but I can feel your passion in learning. So keep it up, everybody. And don't forget to join the STACC, okay? That will be next Wednesday night. And this weekend, I'm going to give you the sample paper so that you can maybe do a little bit more preparation. Okay? Yes. So keep fighting and keep improving. And I really hope everybody can keep it up in learning math here. So remember me? Remember? Okay. My name is Jimson. And hopefully we can still have time to meet everybody. Yeah. So that's the end here for today. And give me the last 8 in the chat box. And we see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody. Okay. Give me the last 8 or bye-bye or ATA, okay, in the chat box. See you. And don't miss me. Don't miss me, okay? Because we can definitely meet again. Okay, bye-bye. See you then. See you then. See you then. Okay, bye-bye. Yes, thank you, Scarlett. Okay, thank you, Scarlett. Bye-bye, everybody. Yeah, bye-bye, 新加坡的渺小. I don't know. Okay, bye-bye, Linda. Bye-bye, Blue Soul. Yeah, Blue Soul, I know, okay? You're Leo, right?